Lady C, can you please give me a cupcake recipe that doesn't require much ingredients? My darling, here is the recipe, all right? Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting one, so let's begin. I'll be using all-purpose flour. You can use bread flour or cake flour to make this recipe. Start by sifting all-purpose flour in a bowl. To that, I move in with baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix to combine very well. Once that is done, I am going to set it aside. This is our dry ingredients, all right? In another bowl, I'm going to crack in 2 eggs. To that, I will add sugar. Take your time and beat both together for about a minute or 2. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, after beating the egg and the sugar together, I move in with canola oil. You can use any cooking oil of your choice, alright? Once I add the oil, I will quickly mix. Finally, I added milk. Mix to combine very well. I am going to transfer the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, alright? Once that is done, I am going to gently mix both together. Please do not overmix your cake batter. Once it comes together, please stop mixing, alright? This cake making does not take time. Both the preparation and the baking time takes only 30 minutes. Please don't forget to check the description box for the list of the ingredients and the measurements. I'll also drop the list at the comment section. Alright, like I said earlier, once everything comes together, stop mixing. It is time to transfer into the cupcake baking pan. Now I'm going to drop the cupcake paper. If you don't have a cupcake paper, you can as well bake with the pan alone. Just make sure that you grease the pan with oil very well. A beautiful shout out to you, Judith, watching from South Africa. Gift from Abuja, Nigeria. Juliet, watching from Germany. And Diana, all the way from Netherlands. Whoops! Aww. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? Alright, after scooping the batter into the cupcake, you can see I am left with nothing. Everything went inside the cupcake. This is the exact measurement for 12 pieces of cupcake without any leftover. Alright, like I said earlier, both the preparation and the baking time took 30 minutes. It is time to bake. I bake in a preheated oven for 20 minutes and there you have it. It turned out so well. Don't take it out from the paper immediately. Allow to cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes. And that is basically all for this recipe. Did you learn something from this video? Did you? If you did, type another banger at the comment section. It turned out so well. Now I spray some sugar powder just to give it more appetizing look. This is totally optional. Go ahead and marry with your loved ones. It is very simple and easy. Now it has cooled down completely. You can easily take out the pepper without the pepper sticking to the cake, all right? Go ahead and enjoy. I love it. It turned out so well. I open it and this is what the inside looks like. Oh my word. Very soft, super yummy. I hope you get to try this quick, easy cupcake recipe. And to the person that made this request, I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.